Hi, I'm Stefan Smit, all the way from South Africa, painting a piece here in Cheltenham, and I'm really honored to be a headlining artist this year. It's really been great being in the town, seeing all of the artwork. There's an overarching theme to my work which has to do with connection, and this piece is titled Isolation. I wanted to create the backdrop of the main figure, which is really vibrant, very modern sort of colors and expressions, juxtaposed with a very old school painting technique that was used on the figure in the front, which is a Zorn palette, which is just 4 colors, which kind of shows a differentiation of the color palettes used, which drives home the point of these two figures feeling so separated. Using Daler-Rowney's products have been amazing for me, and specifically using the System3 fluids on such a large scale for the first time has been amazing. The pigments are so high, the application is amazing, it's an absolute game changer for me, so it's been incredible being able to use them on this scale. I had an amazing time painting here. It was fantastic to be welcomed so warmly by everybody. The United Services Club has been amazing and welcoming, and also really surprising to have such warm weather in England. I've been very lucky.
Absolutely, yeah, everyone's really excited and they're thrilled that you've added the little poppy. That was very kind of you to do that. That wall next time.
Oh, it's been absolutely wonderful to see. It's been great to see the talent and the plethora of different, the colour palette and the whole thing developing really. It's been absolutely fantastic. It's definitely going to be an asset towards the United Services Club and Cheltenham in general.
Oh, it's beyond magnitude. I mean, sometimes people run out of words when they see great beauty. Sometimes there is no words, or are no words for great beauty, but this is just magnificent. And I've been doing some Googling, as you do, and you see the world's greatest street artists, and we're lucky enough to have one right here as I speak.